Imagine a customer visits your website at midnight, browses a few products, leaves without buying, and the next morning receives a perfectly timed email reminding them about what they viewed, maybe even with a small incentive to complete the purchase. No one manually sent that email. This is marketing automation, where systems handle customer communication automatically based on behavior. Marketing automation is the use of software and technology to execute marketing tasks without constant human intervention. Instead of sending messages manually, businesses set up workflows that trigger actions based on customer activity. These actions can include emails, notifications, ad retargeting, or even personalized website experiences. The goal is to deliver the right message to the right person at the right time. One of the core ideas behind automation is the customer journey. Businesses map out how customers move from awareness to purchase and beyond, and then automate communication at each stage. For example, a new user might receive a welcome email, a returning visitor might get product recommendations, and a customer who abandoned a cart might receive a reminder. These automated flows are often called marketing funnels or workflows. Companies like Amazon use advanced marketing automation to keep users engaged. When you browse products, Amazon tracks your behavior and later shows you related items through email or ads. This creates a seamless and personalized experience without requiring manual effort for each customer. Marketing automation also works closely with CRM systems and data analytics. Businesses collect customer data and use it to segment audiences based on interests, behavior, or purchase history. This allows companies to send highly targeted messages rather than generic campaigns, increasing the chances of conversion. Another important benefit of marketing automation is efficiency and scalability. A small team can manage thousands or even millions of customer interactions simultaneously. Instead of repeating the same tasks manually, marketers can focus on strategy, creativity, and optimization while automation handles execution. However, automation must be used carefully. If messages feel too robotic or irrelevant, customers may lose interest. The most effective strategies combine automation with personalization, ensuring that communication still feels human and meaningful. Marketing automation is transforming how businesses operate by making marketing faster, smarter, and more efficient. It allows companies to build stronger relationships with customers while saving time and resources. This is the Learning Studio. And in the next episode, we will explore how businesses use data to anticipate customer behavior through predictive marketing.